Tyler Tree here with Primetime Manufacturing. Behind me I have the brand new 2022 3102 RSWB. We're going to take a tour of it today. The first thing is when you walk into the Sanibel I notice is how much space we have in here. With the Sanibel it's a wide body full profile fifth wheel. So with the wide body you get 4 inches more space and you get deeper slide out depths, 40 inches. And with it being a full profile you'll also get 6-foot 6 slides. In our brand new Sanibels we decided to do a whole new interior. We decided to do new Miracle Caramel fascia. And we also decided to get new furniture coloring, which is a nice light gray. So in the slides, you get a legless dinette, you get more space under here. You also get the 2 theater seatings, get LED lights, recliners. Then you come back here, you get the 80-inch residential hide-to-bed sofa. So when you come over to the entertainment center, you get a 50-inch LED TV on a televator. And behind that TV, you get a nice large window. So if you're not watching TV, you want it down, you get a nice view of the campground that you're at. Under that you have your nice sound bar that has 2 zones in it. You can play inside or outside or both. Then you have your 5100 BTU fireplace. Also brand new in our 2022 models this year, we got new designer lighting packaging across the entire unit. So the Sanibel really wants you to have a house away from your home. So we decided to put a 24-inch Insignia range in here, 4 top burner with a massive 3.73 cubic foot oven. And above that you have a 30-inch microwave where you can do all your cooking. Then you come over this way, you have a 15 cubic foot fully residential refrigerator. So through the entire Sanibel, you have solid surface countertops. Also, when you come over here, you have a farmhouse sink with an upgraded pull-down faucet. Then when you come over to your pantry, you have a nice large pantry where you can fit your everyday needs, food, pots and pans. You just have a lot of shelving here. When you come through the hallway, you have your Lippert One Touch control, which is going to control your lights, your awning, your slide outs, and your 6-point leveling system, which you can control from an app on your phone. And also in the Sanibel, you have dual required cooler AC units, which are racetrack ducted. You have a 15K in the living room and you have a 13.5K in the bedroom. You also get dual thermostats, so you can control each unit in its own zone. And right next to that, you have your control panel, which is going to control your slides, your awnings, your water heater, and your lights. And with the Sanibel, when you come into the bathroom, you have a nice king-size bathroom. You have a larger shower, you have porcelain toilet seats, you have a hidden medicine cabinet, and you have ample amount of storage for towels, bathroom necessities. And our new 2022 model Sanibel, we decided to take out the entire carpet in the bedroom. So the only place you'll have carpet will be the slides. You get a nice big king size east to west bed with a 30-inch slide depth here. Also in the Sanibel, you get a nice massive wardrobe in here. And with the Sanibel being full profile, you also get it to be washer, dryer, stackable prepped. Everything comes standard with a WineGuard technology here. It's Wi-Fi prepped, it's 50-mile radius, so you'll get any TV show within that 50 miles. Pick up your games, your game shows, you'll be set to go camping. Something else that we upgraded for our new model year this year is our brand new Decal Package. Super clean, super sharp looking. It's gonna be looking the best on the campsite. So also with the Sanibel, you get a nice large heated pass-through storage with a nice rotocast material here. It has 2 drain spouts in it. If you ever want to put drinks and ice in there, it's going to drain automatically. This is also mold, rust, and mildew resistant, so you have no worries on cleaning up here. Then you come over here, you have your nice motion sensor lighting, USB plugins, outlets. You have a TV cable hookup here. You also see a little monitor in here. That is for my next feature that comes standard on all Sanibels, which is our tire pressure monitoring system. So with the tire pressure monitoring system, you'll have a nice 3.5-inch screen in your truck cab. It's going to tell you tire pressure and the heat of tires. So it's giving you the peace of mind before you get on the trip, before you have a blowout. It's giving you that peace of mind so you're not going to have any problems. You also get Dexter Axles with these Sanibels, 5-year warranty, 6,000 pounds rated, and easy lube hubcaps. So when you come around to the rear of the coach, we have a 1.25-inch accessibility hitch. You have a nice ladder here. And the nice thing about the Sanibel, it's fully laminated, which comes kind of into our Eternabond construction. So with it being Eternabond construction, like I mentioned, fully laminated unit. You have 2-inch black foam between 2-inch steel cage framing with 2 pieces of luan on either side. Once you come to the non-camping side, you have your quick recovery 18-gallon water heater. You have a 35,000 BTU furnace. So when you come through the pass-through storage again on the non-camp side, you have your universal docking station. You have your battery disconnect, your city water connection, your winterization system, your black tank flush, and your water connection. And also in the universal docking station, you have your nice little cubby hole here where all your wires can fit through there and connect here, so you don't have wires going all around your coach. Here you have your 6-point electric leveling control panel. You have your solar panel prepped here. You have your docking light switch. Then over here you have your large front storage. So when you come to the front cap, you'll notice it's recessed 6 inches, so it's gonna give you that ultimate turn radius that you're looking for when you're hauling this trailer. Also, it has a high gloss gel coating across the entire unit, which is gonna keep the color of the unit longer. Thank you everyone for coming out and checking out our brand new 2022 3102 RS WB. If you have any more questions, you can visit primetimerv.com, and happy camping.